Yo, I know y'all thought this was a game, man. You gotta get the 30 case. Ooh, look at that right there. Look at the White Castle. There's no ketchup on none of these. Yo, we be rolling up in White Castle. The whole family be rolling up in this joker. Those are all my babies, y'all. That's my grandbaby in the blue sweater. And those my young'uns, all three. You know, we missing one. Word is born, y'all. We out here on Stringtown Road in Columbus, Ohio. Oh, Roosters. You like Roosters? Fire. It is, y'all. Look at this. Yo, I know y'all thought this was a game, man. You gotta get the 30 case. Right? You gotta fill it with 30 sliders, 30 case cheeseburgers. Let's do it. Don't be laughing at me. That's my grandbaby, y'all. Hold on. She's gonna start her own YouTube channel.
If my coach is watching, this is water.
Oh, that's water. That's not soda. He said his coach may be watching. Come on, y'all dig in. Let's move. Yeah, everybody get a plate. White Castles. Thank you. Oh, look at that right there. White Castles. Y'all still just sitting there looking at me. Y'all is part of the video.
I didn't know if this is gonna mess it up by
No, y'all good. That's these cheeseburgers, y'all. Y'all know I usually get a double cheeseburger, so this is like a quadruple to the third power cheese. I should have told him to steam the cheese. What's that you just putting out there?
They hot mayonnaise.
You put mayonnaise on your White Castles?
I'm just trying something today.
Oh, you trying it? That's the first time? All right. Oh, yeah, we here at White Castles. Y'all, this is our favorite restaurants, man. When people talk about, like, we just wanted to get fancy and go to a nice fancy restaurant, this is our fancy restaurant. Hood style White Castles. I see you laughing at me, Kavana. It's hot? Is it hot? As long as they hot. I'm gonna get right in the middle. Let me dig into the middle. Kavana, help yourself. Don't start. Oh, they feel tender too. Last time I was here, they weren't that tender. Is there ketchup on them? Oh, no ketchup. They ain't got no ketchup. There's no ketchup on these. Y'all got ketchup? Mm-hmm. Oh, see, it tastes better. Last time I came here, I believe they were just sitting there on the grill. It wasn't crowded at all. But it was like a lady before us, and it looked like they were making some orders. Yeah, these taste nice and hot. Cheese melted. They didn't have ketchup though. Now, when I worked at White Castles, when I worked at White Castles, we put ketchup on them unless you didn't ask for ketchup. It's good. It's official. It's official, White Castles. Got the singles. I got extra pickles here, but they have enough on there. They needed that ketchup though. Who don't like ketchup? Mommy didn't like ketchup.
Just like any condiment?
She loved mustard. She liked mayo. But if you put some ketchup on her hamburger, you were done.
Yeah, puppy leaves by like 6.
There's no ketchup on none of these. And I just gotta do a little dab. See how the cheese is melted? I like my cheese melted on my White Castle hamburgers. On my White Castle cheeseburgers. I want some hot spices now. Let's put some pepper on it. You have to eat White Castles while they're hot.
His job is though.
Huh? I know some of y'all are like, do we have stock in White Castle? That's a good idea. I'm glad y'all asked. We gotta play the Mega Millions, y'all. I'm not a gambler, but I'm playing. I think it's really high.
How high is yours?
Same thing.
All of the Mega Millions is the same?
I think so.
Man, I thought it was state. I thought it was by state. That's crazy.
I wish I had something to set there so to stay warm.
That makes it so much more, like, make you not want to play.
Make you not want to play?
I thought it was just
You thought it was-
with each state.
You thought your state had $200 million?
Yeah, I thought that's what they was doing. Like, everybody kept playing, so it kept going up. That's crazy.
I'm still going in. This is my third one, y'all. I'm so happy they did them right. We got 30, so everybody gets 6, right? Yeah, 6. Everybody gets 6 burgers. What'd you ate, 7?
I'm gonna wait in the car. Side out.
Everybody gets 6. Oh, I should have got one of those. See how it looks? See how that part right there looks dry? See that? I keep saying they overcooked it. These are good though. They did a good job. Look, I still got burger left. That's sad. Let me eat this first. I ain't never did that before. That was one of our childhood moves.
For the video.
January 1st is your birthday? A New Year's baby. That's cool. I already knew that, but I'll be happy to be reminded when it gets close. I don't remember anybody's birthday until it gets close. I mean, I know all y'all's birthday, but Zach's birthday is December. Yours February 10th, May 8th, December. He don't get no number. He gets Christmas, birthday.
Early or late? December.
Who?
That's birthday.
December, period. You said early or late? Yes. I got them extra
I
pickles.
think of it fast. I'll be forgetting.
Y'all want more? Did we get enough?
Oh, I know.
Look, as a guy little like speak for yourself. Somebody want some pickles?
Sometimes I remember his birthday.
Oh, no, I think
What's up?
no. It's
That's a lot of pickles.
That's the one's birthday.
You forgot Man's birthday?
I always mix it up until I
Who's May 25th?
I need a wider lens so I can get all y'all in. Or set it back there. We better get him off camera. He don't remember his son's birthday. June 7th, Kavana knows. His niece, my son's niece, knows his son's birthday. This is your man, Matt DV, signing off from White Castle on Springtown Road in Grove City, Ohio. I think I said Columbus before, right? We're in Grove City, y'all. If nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Y'all have a beautiful day. I'll see you at the next one. Peace. Give him the peace sign, Kavana. Peace. Peace. Peace.